Hi guys, as we informed you earlier, we came to you with the newest range of devices from Ligowave, that is Ligo 6 GHz. The LigoDLB 6 GHz series is the newest extension of LigoDLB series. It allows users to find less crowded channels, less noise, less interference with greater range and throughput. So today we bring LigoDLB 6-20ac. When we turn into LigoDLB 6-20ac, it's a 6 GHz wireless outdoor device with 500 plus Mbps capacity. The Wi-Fi protocol of this device is iPoll 3. Radio mode is MIMO 2x2. Frequency bands are from 5.9 to 6.4 GHz. The transmit power is up to 30 dBm, but it is country dependent. Channel sizes are from 5, 10, 20, 40 and 80 MHz. And the devices is with zero-loss design and integrated surge protection, and the maximum power consumption is 10 watt. When we consider about the antenna of LigoDLB 6-20ac, it has integrated dual polarized directional panel antenna. The antenna gain is 20 dBi. When we come to distance recommendations, we can use this device in both scenarios as PTP and PTMP. So when it goes to PTP mode, it goes up to 7 km, and when it goes to PTMP mode, it goes up to 4 km. When considered about environmental parameters of this device, the operating temperature is from -40 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. The humidity is from 0 to 90% as non-condensing. The LigoDLB 6-20ac device is with small form factor. That means small packaging and reduces transportation cost and enables the devices to blend in better with the surroundings. The DLB 6-20ac is designed with a non-metallic IP65 weatherproof exterior. It makes the device lighter and corrosion resistant. Okay, let's unbox the device right now. This is the quick start guide. This is the device of LigoDLB 6-20ac. Keep the device aside. And next, the PoE injector, PoE cable, and mounting bracket. This is the weatherproof cap, that is for the protection from harsh weather conditions. Let's have a look now. This is the quick start guide as I mentioned you earlier. You can have a look on this for better understanding of the device. This is the device of LigoDLB 6-20ac. This is the back side of the device. These are the LED indicators. This is the Ethernet port, and you can connect the weatherproof cap here like this. These are the mounting brackets. You can use the bracket here to mount the device. This is the PoE injector. This is LAN port and PoE port. This is the power port. And this is the PoE cable. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and please follow our social feeds as well. Thanks for watching and bye for now.